Guys, welcome back again. It's the same next minute. I'm doing two videos at the same time, so it's just saving some time. So, what are we discussing on? Okay, in the last video, what we have done is like we are just attacking people and they're just spawning in their original locations when their health has been done. He'll not do any damage because he is our team as well. So now what we're going to do? We're going to play death animation. Okay. So for simplifying this stuff, what we're going to do is we're just going to go here directly. So yeah, for just simplifying purposes, because every time that guy need to walk across the map and I need to go across the map. So just for testing purposes, I'm going to bypass the code of, like attacking on the same team so that it'll be much more simplified. Okay. Now what we're going to do? We're going to create a new function called we're going to create a new like a variable called isDead. Okay, so also going to show you what is the advantage of on replicated functions. Okay, they are much more better, and their use case is something like that. I will let you know how to use them. So we're going to create a variable called is dead, and we are setting it to boolean variable. Okay, now one thing that I'm really kind of is like once we are dead, okay, the player will play an animation for like let's say 2 seconds, and after 2 seconds he need to move to the original location. So what we're going to do is once we know he is dead, what we're going to do is we're going to set the dead to true. We're going to set the dead to true. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. Yep. Once we're going to set the dead to true, and then we're going to wait for like 2 seconds. Yeah, we're going to wait for 2 seconds, and then we're going to execute this remaining piece of code where we are setting the active transform whatever. And okay, now what we're going to do is okay, we set the isDead to true. Okay, now what we need to do is once we set isDead to true, when we set it to replicated, when clients get okay isDead is true, they need to play an animation, right? That is what should happen. Like there are two things that we can do. Okay, once we set isDead to true and we are waiting for a delay of 2 seconds, and again we should set isDead to false because the player is spawned at the initial location, so we should set isDead to false. Now what happens is that we once we know isDead is true, we have to play an animation montage like he's falling on the ground, something like that. We can do it in several ways. One way is like we can check out every frame, like if isDead is true or not. We can check every frame on every client, and then we can play an animation montage, which is extremely expensive. It is extremely expensive. Doing something on every frame is extremely expensive. If you have 100 to 200 players, it's extremely expensive. One thing that we can do is like we can call a multicast function, but that is kind of like we have to call all of these functions every time. Unreal Engine has something that is built in called isDead replication to rep notify. So what happens is that once we change any value like isDead on the server, not on the clients, on the server, when we change the isDead variable, which is set to rep notify, you can see at the functions there is a function called on replicated isDead. What is this function? This function will be executed on every client. Okay, once isDead is changed, this function will be called. Okay, so whenever a particular variable is changed, you have to do something on every client, then you should use rep notify. So then what we're going to do is we're going to get our isDead thing, and we're going to branch it out. We are checking if isDead is true or not because we don't know, right? If isDead set to false, this function will execute. If isDead set to true, this function will execute. So if it is true, that means we are dead. We need to play an animation montage. So we're going to get this mesh, and we're going to like play animation montage. Play animation. And nope, no looping. Wait, wait. Play anim montage. Yeah. What is the target? Character object difference. Is this thing, man? Yeah. Okay, fine. Whatever. Wait, can I get the mesh thing? Okay, fine. Whatever. Let me go to the mesh and let me montage. Okay, fine. Anime asset to play. Okay, fine, whatever. So I'll go to the animation starter pack, and I'll go to the animation starter pack, and let us do. Where is that, man? Okay, prone death. You got it right. Yeah, let us do an animation montage out of it. Okay, let me just check if I can do it or not. What happened? Could not find a new skeleton. Would you like to choose a new one? Yes. Choose a new one. Mannequin skeleton. Retarget. Yeah, it's retargeted. Hands are kind of offset, but okay, fine, whatever. I'm not an animation expert, so I'll pass it out. So here I can just capture this one and I can let it play. Yeah, if it is true, then we are playing the death animation. If it is false, then stop. Yeah, we are calling like stop whatever animation you're playing, just stop it. If that is false, that means after 2 seconds this function will call. When we are dead, this function will call, and after 2 seconds this function will call. How after 2 seconds this function will call? Pretty simple. Just showing the basics. And after 2 seconds we are setting isDead to false. IsDead changed on the server. So since it's changed on server, this function will get called, and in this function isDead is false. So that's why after 2 seconds this function will get called. So let's play. We're going to check if it works or not. I think I did it. Let us see. You can just see he did, he put it dead, something like that. And after 2 seconds, wait, he just came there, but he's not changing his thing. So wait, let me check it out. We have to play animation montage to be honest. Yeah, animation, this thing is kind of stupid. Okay, let me go there and okay, and this guy can move around and he can shoot me. Yeah, he can. Okay, shoot me. Okay, now I'm dead. Now I'm here as well and I'm still dead. What happens if I can move? I can move like this. Okay, pretty bad. So why? Hmm. I just need to play montage. There is a function called play montage, and the character is object reference. So I don't really. Okay, fine, whatever. So prone that I'm going to create an montage out of it, and I'm going to go here and I'm going to play it. Yeah, and stop whatever montage that you're playing. Stop whatever montage that you're playing. Character object reference, and yeah. So hope this thing works. Let us see. Okay, let's attack him. Okay, you can just see now it is working fine. But what happens is that he also stopped this particular thing like, he also stopped the shooting pose. Yeah. So what might happen is I'm killing him. He's playing this animation montage, and once he's waking up again, I call this stop thing. So what he might do is, okay, I need to select an montage, right? So let me select it up. Yeah. So I think I'm stopping everything. So that's the reason why that montage is also stopped. But I'm stopping this particular specific montage right now. Hope this works. Let me just jump over here and shoot, 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 shoot. Okay. Nope. He is still stopping that particular montage. I don't know why. Maybe one. I don't know. I don't really know why it's happening. Something like that. But once we stopped it, really we can start it again, right? It's our game, bros. Like we can still do whatever we want because it is coding. We can add anything you want. Oh wait. Oh, the play motors is not working. That is the reason why play motors is not working. Okay, fine. I'm going to add this one. We're going to see how it works. So Control W. Yeah, that is the reason why I'm not able to find play animators is because it will not work in the functions. Maybe I can call a custom event, something like that. We will see. If it is not working, we'll definitely do that. Go to third person character, rep on that, and we will play these motors. Idle fire, and yeah, that's it. So let us see now how it works or not. Now we can just kill him. Okay, now you can see he's again picking up this thing. So yeah, it is working perfectly fine, guys. Now you can just see I am killing him. Now he's dropping in, and again he's getting that animal. So what's happening? Pretty simple. Uh, what's happening is that like where is that? Yeah, here it is. We're checking if health is zero. Yep, it is zero. We are setting is set to true, and immediately that function will execute where we are playing that animators, and within 2 seconds we are just setting is dead to false, and then we are setting our actor transform, and then we are checking our health as 0. Sorry, again 100. Got it? Yeah, that's how it works, guys. And there might be some mistakes in the timing stuff. Maybe you guys can check them out, but if you want you can just keep it like around 5 seconds. Let me keep it for 5 seconds and we'll see what will happen. Is it going to stay like that for 5 seconds? Let us see. Huh. After that, eventually he's going down. Okay, got it. I need to loop him. Yeah, loop him is something. Yeah, loop. Okay, where is that one? No, it is not there because I didn't loop it. So go to your death montage, guys. What happens is that once the death montage is completed, he's again standing up. Okay, the death montage is extremely small. That's the reason why he's doing something like that. Okay, how to loop it? Go to this particular square thing and pick the next section and click the next section as default only. So it just keeps on going and going and going. That's how you loop animations. If you really want to learn all of this stuff, go to YouTube channel Code Like Me, where he has like so many tutorials. Maybe yeah, if you want to know about Unreal Engine basics kind of stuff. Now let us go here back again and let me hit shoot. Okay, wait. Okay, shoot. Okay, he's dead now. He's playing the same animation again and again and again. After 5 seconds, he's going to stop the animation and he's going to be like here. Got it? Similarly, me as well. I can also now you can just see he's playing the same animation again and again and again for 5 seconds. And once he is done, he's again doing this. So what is the slice? 12 minutes. Great. So yeah, this is it, guys. These are the two. This is the tutorial where just played that animation, and we also did that animation. Yeah, that's what we did. So we basically had a game now where you can host or join, where you can join and you can join with your friends. Your friends will be in opposite team alternatively, and you can shoot one another and you can just join in locations. In the next tutorial, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add scores so that you guys be like, no, let's add scores, and when the game timer ends, you're going to display leaderboard. Let us do that. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to add scores, and in that next tutorial, I'm going to add a display screen of showing like who won whatever. There's something like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Wait, I hope you guys I see you in the next tutorial. And I'm also working on a game called Mercenaries Unleashed. For subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out the alpha video. It will be in the description, guys. Thank you.